how to fix lag and improve performance in Mobile Legends. If you're experiencing lags on Mobile Legends, before we get to the game, there are a couple of things that you might want to pay attention to. First, that your network connection is extremely stable. So if you're using a very slow internet connection, that could be one of the primary issues. Second, make sure that you have got a decent device that supports gaming. It has got enough RAM as well as also storage, because when you run out of storage, you will naturally face this type of performance issues. The other setting is you can come within the game and tap on the gear icon, which is located at the top right hand side indicated by settings. So go to that settings. Right here under the graphics tab, you will see a graphics setting which you have to customize as per your device. So you can turn off shadow, creep HP, or you can turn off HD mode and colorblind filter. You can also change the high frame rate to low, and for most of you that's already going to solve the problem. Now if you're using graphics in ultra, you can also change that to maybe smooth or something like that. Then that would fix most of the graphical issues you're having. Now if you go to the network test button from the bottom here, you can also choose to tap to test button. It will test your strength of internet connection. Make sure that it is at least 4 or above the 4 lines. You can also turn on network boost. You can use some resource repair, clear some cache files, and you can do a performance test and so on. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.